Okay, we're going to continue working on this Murray 22-inch Sprint 3.75 horsepower. What we've got to do is, this cable is seized. Cable goes all the way down through here and into this cover right there. So we'll get the cover off, we'll get the cable disconnected, and we'll replace it. Okay, we need to disconnect this bolt right here. That's a 5/16. See if we can turn and disconnect the cable. And now we'll disconnect that. This should be a 1/4 inch. There's 2 nuts, one on the top you have to remove, and then one on the side here you just have to loosen up a little bit, and the cover comes right off. Alright, this right here has an electrical switch that goes to it. This is what kills your engine, and it also applies the brake to your flywheel. So now we need to disconnect this right here. So we're going to squeeze these two together. And now we can disconnect the Z-bend. We'll take our new cable. We'll connect our Z-bend. We want our Z-bend to face down. We'll go ahead and connect our spring back up. Align our cable sheathing. And pop that in like so. I'm going to try and get a little bit better angle here to show you. Slip the cable in through there. And lock that in like that. So now, reassembly is the opposite. Put our cable in through here. And we'll take this, and this should lock on like that. There, it releases the brake around the flywheel, and there it resets the brake and makes the contact with the switch right here. Show you that again. There's electrical contact right there. When that makes contact, it grounds it out. All we got to do now is put the covers back on. We left the one nut there. So we'll snug that down. That's 1/4 inch. Start this one. Let's see if this thing runs. Take this air filter off and check that. Sometimes the air filter can be so clogged or dirty or oil soaked that it won't let air run through it. Yeah, that might be the problem right there. We'll go ahead and put our screw back in. Make sure our throttle's working. Primer is pumping gas. See what it does now. Sounds like the carburetor's not drawing fuel up. We're going to have to tear into that carburetor. See what's going on with that, why it's not drawing fuel.